Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Congratulations to your new mega hotel and suites. You just built that mega. Yeah, it's mega. Yeah, thank you. So we saw the swimming pool, we saw the CCTV, which you can see. Man, your hotel is lovely, one of the top of the town, and many people will be so surprised seeing Mr. Muka doing this, because people normally believe Yoruba movie, they don't really have much like that. So it's mostly English, but this is going to be a big surprise to most people. Advice we have to people upcoming that would like to follow your path and like to do business and how to make money from this Yoruba. Thank you, sir.
One thing you must have at the back of your mind, anytime, any day, believe it's not how far, it's how well. Being in the industry, I was born into the industry, and I knew, well, you cannot do anything without God. And that's why I felt the first thing is to thank Almighty Allah for making it possible, because without Him, who am I? So that's why I have to thank my Allah. I think I have to thank my mom, my dad, because without them, there won't be Muka. Because my father an actor when he was alive, my mother actress, my brother, you know. So thank God, because my father is not an actor. Maybe I won't even near what they call entertainment. I don't know, but I believe when my father died, okay, for me to proceed in the entertainment industry, movie industry, stage performance, my belief then is I want to become a lawyer, or I want to become a doctor. But at the same time, I don't want my father's name to be perished just like that. So I have to continue where he stopped then, and today I am really right. Oh, my advice to the younger ones that coming is they need to submit themselves, you know. Kind of, okay, you want to become an actor. Don't ever think you want to become like Muka, you want to become like Ogabelo, you know. You have to think of, submit yourself. I want to be one of the best actors. What will you do? Forget about the money, forget about anything, forget about I want to make name. If you are too desperate, you cannot get there. That's one thing I believe. You have to be focused and, okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to be. That is why anytime we were called to come to location, you have to forget about money. This thing I want to do because I want to make money. No, you are not doing it because you want to make money. You have to do it because you want it to be natural. You want people to see you in that role. Whatever role they give you, you must interpret the role very well and let people see the best in you. Whenever people are watching your movie and no, is this an actor? The new actor, I don't know, he's doing great. From there, that means you are trying to, with that legacy, you want people to know about you. That is where you lay your legacy. That, okay, I want people to know I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Make sure you satisfy your audience first. Make sure your audience accepts you. If you are not accepted, forget. And how do you accept? How do you want your people, your fans or anybody that are in love with entertainment to accept you? That means whatever you want to do when it comes to entertainment, you must be natural. You don't act, I want to act like Muka. You don't say you want to become an actor, you want to become an actor, you want to be like Ogabe. Forget. You can never get there. All you need to do is to be focused. Forget about money. If you are focused, money is coming. If you are humble, anything you want in that industry is surely come. You know, so that's my advice for the younger ones. That they need to be focused. Because a lot of people now, I want to start acting. Muka has money now. Look at what he did. No, you don't say that. You know the stress, you know what I passed through, you know what happened, you know, that it's not easy to get there. That's one thing I believe. But with Allah, you can be able to achieve anything you want to achieve. That's if you are with Allah and you believe. Without Him, there is nobody except Allah. That's why I said I thank God for my life. I thank God for where I am today. And whoever that is coming, I pray for them. Okay, well, when God says, yes, this is your time, you must use it very well. That time is very important. You may get it. You get it. It's very easy to make money. But how do you maintain that money? That means you have to be wise. You have to think. Don't think of present situation. Think of future. How do you want to sustain? You may have name today. There's no champion forever. If I start today, another better star they are coming. So whatever you have today, you must utilize it. That is one thing. Then, because my own belief is when you have name, there's no much in the industry, but you must have that name, that stand. You have to stand out that, okay, this is Muka. You now use what you have to get what you want. That is my own belief.
Okay. So that money is use almost like a month, if I'm not wrong. And coming back again doing a mega deal. Is it from this acting you get all this money that is to do, or you have another business you are doing that people don't know about to support this mega deal, or you just acting 100%?
Tell you the truth, I have other business. Okay. But if I'm saying I have other business, I'm into music. I go to shows, I make money. I'm into properties, you know, apart from acting. But is this still face? I believe forever. If people ask me where do you make money, is in the industry, the acting. Because without this face, forget about being an agent, being an musician. No. It's this face that people will say, are you Muka? You need this thing. Is that name? People hear, okay, let's try Muka. And I make my money, you know. But I still thank God. Whatever I have today is from acting. What I have become today is from acting, and I'm really like. Okay. So traveling abroad, I don't just go to abroad because I want to go and, you know, to have nice time. No. If I want to go, I won't even make noise. I'll just go, okay, this time around I'm traveling, I'm going there for vacation to rest, you know. Yeah. But if I'm going for like 1 month, no doubt I'm going for my job. Is that music or acting or movie? But definitely if I'm going like that, I'm going to make money. You can see my journey from London to US to Istanbul, Turkey, and you can see it on Instagram. Most of these things I must take performing in another aspect of the entertainment, that is music.
Thank you very much. And the property, the building, can you just give an estimate? Is it up to like 200 million or 300 million or something?
Let's leave that one.
Let's leave that. Let's leave that for the people to figure it out. Yes. Okay.
Let's leave that to people. It's not easy. All I know is not easy, but I am going to lie.
Congratulations, Musa.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you, my social. Yes, my name is Muka. I'm choosing this opportunity to tell all my fans all over the world. Please keep watching Gua TV and make sure you subscribe so that you can get better picture and better program. Watch it, stay tuned. Thanks.